So today I'm doing filler for the chin. For people who have diminished chin, filler is a great way to give volume and projection. It's a very easy procedure. I do it under local numbing, so the patient's very comfortable. And I use Voluma, which is a great filler because it has a lot of intensity to project, and it's a long-lasting filler. And you can see with just half a syringe, you can see the projection already. And it will give this patient a V-line shape to her chin, which is very beautiful. It lasts a long time. This filler can last up to 2 years or longer. So if you want to change definition, give more projection to the chin and give your neck a better contour, filler is a great option, not surgery.